How can we both work together so that we are no longer on an employer-employee relationship? We are on a partnership experience. Maganda? Business owners, can I make you a challenge? Your ultimate job, business owners, is to be focused on creating. Pagod ka naman mag-micromanage, parang lagi mo na lang iniisip, nasa-stress na ako, nagkakaroon na ako ng anxiety, I'm already worrying inside my company kasi para bang hindi na na-solve yung problema ko sa aking kumpanya, whether you are the business owner or maybe whether you are the manager. Ito, magiging honest ako sa'yo. Kung ganun na pala yung nangyayari sa kumpanya mo, why are you not taking a pause and start making a reflection kung ano yung pwedeng magbago? Because if you're willing to take a pause and take one day off to learn, to reflect, and to grow para once and for all magbago, meron tayong program na inilaan para mismo dyan. Hi everyone, this is Mix Flores. I'm the CEO and President of I Am Plus Coaching, and I would say right now, we're not just the leading coaching organization in the Philippines, we're also the leading organizational development company in this country. I would say that many organizations are coming to us to ask, paano ko nga babaguhin yung kultura at sistema ng aming kumpanya, at yan mismo yung mga bagay na tinutulong at sinusuport namin sa bawat organisasyon at bawat kumpanya na lumalapit sa amin. Ngayon, kung ikaw hindi mo pa kami na-experience at taging problema mo yung mga bagay na sinabi ko a while ago, then I want to invite you to Elevate. Alam mo, this is a low-ticket program only, 1,999 pesos. And yet, in one full day, makikita mo doon, ano nga ba yung reason bakit nagkakaroon ka ng stress and anxiety in your company? Ano nga ba yung mga organizational killers na kailangan mong malaman para pwede mong baguhin? And last but not the least, what is the solution to that problems that I've mentioned a while ago? Itong Elevate na ito, suggestion ko, you grab the chance to take the opportunity to get into it. You wanna know why? Because maybe that is the solution you've been waiting for. Kaya naman, grab this chance already and magkita-kita tayo dito sa Elevate.